You know, if you're wearing one of our tohu, it's like, fuck yeah, you know, I'm Māori, and get out of my fucking way, you know, but like, not in a way like that. The Hori brand, it actually came from my ingoa, my name, or Karetoku Ingoa Tūturu, engari it was a nickname that was given to me, quite a challenging word. When I was a teenager, being Māori wasn't really cool, and I kind of assimilated into this Pākehā world. Whaia Deb talks about how, you know, wearing these clothes is about armouring up, and I think it brings confidence, and a lot of the people that are wearing our stuff are going to spaces where they need to almost brace themselves for it.
A lot of people are really resonating with Tino Rangatiratanga or you know, Mana Motuhake. I'm really proud that we're, as Māori, that we're moving as one, because there are a lot of things that are disrupting and wanting to challenge the things that we believe in. It's going to be really important to kind of put our toe in the ground and say, hey, nah, this is what we believe in, this is what we are standing up for.
That was our whole whakaaro around that pōwhiri, was to make them feel uncomfortable in our spaces, because Māori have felt uncomfortable in their own lands for so long. So we need to give them a taste of that. A lot of the people that are wearing our stuff, Māori designers across the motu, has kind of become something that they can do in their own little way to activate within their own spaces. With our kākahu, it's a way for people to have conversations. You know, when they see that tohu, it's a chance for people to ask, oh, what's that? And you're like, oh, you want to know about colonisation? You know, it gives that little lead into the chat that we hope the people that are wearing it are able to have with people that might not understand our world. It's a really amazing way as an artist to have a travelling canvas that is cruising around the streets.